I'm June and I live in Murniel. Been coming here for about 5 or 6 years. I'm a retired teacher, been primary teacher, secondary maths teacher, worked in prisons and special schools and education administration. Retired about 10 years now, done a little bit of consultancy work, but now I'm sliding into retirement and I've joined the Grey Nomads and travel a lot around Australia. It was really from my doctor who told me that I needed to be fitter than I was and suggested the BTEC class, and that was my first introduction here. That's probably about 5 years ago. Used to be run across the road in the Mechanics Institute, and in the new building we came over here. So I've been coming for about 5 years. I've also accessed the physio here. I like the facilities, they're new and they're clean and they're modern. I like the range of facilities. I like all the allied health professionals. I like Danny, the exercise physiologist. She's really useful and helpful. I just feel comfortable here. It's got a nice feeling about it. And I like the modern, the gym and the pool and all of that. Yeah, it's good. And I like the classes. They're social and they're friendly and we laugh a lot. And I've got to know people way outside my normal field, and that's been a real advantage. The BTEC program's had quite an impact. I have arthritis quite severely, and I guess I'd given up exercising because it hurt. And that was when my doctor said to me, if you don't use it, you'll lose it, you know, and that old cliche. And I reluctantly came to the BTEC classes. Reluctantly, because I have a fainting disorder and I faint a lot, and I'm afraid of fainting in public. It's always embarrassing. Anyway, all of that was explained to Jacinta, who was then in charge of the BTEC program, and she designed a program for me, and it was great. And she left and Danny came, and I feel really safe with Danny. She knows what might happen and she watches me, and yeah, I feel really good with her. And it's made me much more mobile, and yeah, it's had a big impact on my health. A really positive change, that I'm now no longer afraid to exercise, and sometimes I fall over and that's okay. And, the exercise program, the OT, the dietitian, they all changed. I was starting to feel like an invalid, put it that way, and now I feel it's not about losing weight for me, it's about becoming stronger and fitter, and I think I'm doing that slowly. So yeah, it's had a very positive impact.